Hi guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can add payment method in Steam. So guys, if you're trying to add a new payment method or a regular payment method in your Steam app but you don't know how to do so, then this video is for you. Just go ahead and open your Steam app first. And once you're in the Steam app, just look at the top right corner where you can see a question mark icon. Just go ahead and tap here, and now you can see multiple options over here. So you can either just look at your profile, you can see the games you have, friends you have, funds, and many more. You just need to find account details and tap on it. And once you've tapped there, right off the bat, you can see your wallet balance, and right under, you can see add a payment method to this account. Just go ahead and tap here, and now just write down your payment method information, like the card that you use. If it's a Visa card, you can type Visa, or if it's a MasterCard, you can choose MasterCard, American Express, there's Discover, and JCB. So it's your choice totally. So just go ahead and type in your card number. After that, you should use the expiration date of your card and also the security code. After that, you will see the billing information. So you should type in your name, your last name, the billing address. It's also safe to add your billing address line 2, the city you live in, a zip or postal code, the country you're from, and your phone number. After you do that, just go ahead and tap on continue, and in this way you would successfully be able to add a payment method in Steam. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.